Zhongrui specializes in designing and manufacturing animal oil extraction and refining equipment. Their product range includes various types of rendering machines, fat melting systems, and complete oil refining lines. These machines are engineered with advanced technology, ensuring efficient production. Durability. One of the standout features of Zhongrui is its customization capabilities. They understand that every business has unique needs, so they offer tailored solutions to match specific production goals, whether it's small-scale or large-scale operations. In addition to quality machinery, Zhongrui provides exceptional after-sales service, from installation guidance to technical support and maintenance tips. For businesses aiming to enter or expand in the animal oil processing industry, choosing Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited means gaining access to cutting-edge technology, expert advice, and unwavering support. If you are ready to invest in durable, efficient, and innovative animal oil processing solutions,